What's up, YouTube? Here's the E46 330 that I bought strictly as a drift track car. When I first got it, it came with a suspected clogged cat. It felt like it couldn't breathe properly, so I got new headers. You can see them right there, kind of shiny, nice looking boys. After that, I pulled out the secondary air pump, windshield washer, AC, cleaned up the bay a little bit because I'm going to be gutting the interior. So I wanted a little bit more weight distribution to be nice. I pulled out the rear diff. I welded that. I'll put some pictures after. Now I'm just in the gutting process of the interior, starting with the back mostly, and then I'll work my way forward. Plans for the car is turbo kit, full angle kit and suspension, proper wheel setup, hydro e-brake, a few other little things, and just getting it ready for the next season of drifting. Thanks.